What's up guys, Mitchell Watts with TCcustoms and Town and Country Ford, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for your interest in the new F-150 sleeper program, and I wanted to give you a little bit more details behind the scenes on what it actually looks like and to see if this program is something that is right for you. Now, I'm actually out here on the lot with a few other regular cabs that we've already got on the lot, but I wanted to take this time to kind of give you those details because there's a lot of changes. As you guys know, we brought it back for the 2025 model year, and I wanted to kind of go over some of the nitty gritty. So this is just me and you talking to see if this is something that you are actually interested in doing. So first off, the sleeper program, originally the pricing is at $52,998. That's what the normal pricing is, and what that gets you is a brand new 2025 Ford F-150 regular cab, very similar to something that we have right behind me, obviously without all of those different modifications. And in addition to the regular cab, it's going to be a two-wheel drive, a 5.0 liter V8 with a ROUSH Supercharger. Now, the reason that we are doing the ROUSH Supercharger is because they have been perfect and really, really good to us on the warranty side of things. If there's ever been an issue with a customer's vehicle, ROUSH has gone above and beyond to actually take care of that issue. Now, the beautiful thing is the normal price of $52,998. You get the supercharger and the truck, and I've got all of those details. They're all over the website and exactly what's included on the chassis and the supercharger. But you might be asking yourself, okay, well, what about the employee pricing? I heard Ford has got this new employee pricing, and yes, Town and Country Ford is honoring employee pricing on these sleeper trucks as well. The beautiful thing is that I can actually price lock that incentive for you. And so you've got the, camera's doing something wonky. But you've got these incentives that Ford has come out with on that sleeper program, or really on all F-150s. And if you get the order placed before June 2nd of 2025, we can actually incentive lock the employee pricing for you. And so no longer is it $52,990, it actually is $49,998. And once again, that gives you a two-wheel drive F-150, a 5.0, no options on top of that. And then you can add the supercharger. The ROUSH Supercharger is included in that, as well as the warranty, which, by the way, I'm going to cover that in full detail in just a second, but it also includes the installation of the supercharger. So that $49,998 includes everything that we just mentioned. What about is the warranty is a little bit different, because I have a lot of people that just did not understand that the last time that we had this particular program, this particular setup. So a lot of people don't realize that when you take a brand new vehicle and you add a supercharger to it, they don't realize it actually does void the Ford powertrain warranty. So a truck just like this one has a 5-year 60 powertrain warranty in addition to the 3-year 36 bumper to bumper. And what happens is when we install this ROUSH Supercharger, the Ford powertrain warranty goes away. It's no longer the 5-year 60 powertrain anymore. But instead, what ROUSH Performance is going to do is they pick up a warranty and they offer a powertrain warranty in lieu of the Ford powertrain warranty. Now, that warranty is actually good for up to $15,000, which is, in my opinion, the best in the market, because some of the other companies out there that may or may not offer a warranty, they don't cover that much money. And so ROUSH covers up to $15,000 total on the powertrain of one of these vehicles. Now, I have also had some people that didn't understand this, even though they signed the documents, what happens if you do have a motor that goes out, and let's say it costs you $15,000. Well, in that situation, you have no more warranty after ROUSH has spent that $15,000. So I just want to kind of give you guys that on the front end, so that way there is no question, there is no concerns about that. We want to be full disclosure in that way. But the good news is that I've never had ROUSH deny a legitimate warranty claim, and that's one of the reasons that we are deeply partnered with them. The other thing is there are hundreds, if not thousands, of ROUSH dealers across the nation that can help you with warranty work if you run into an issue, which is highly unlikely. So I have a couple of other people that have asked questions like, okay, well, what about if I want to add this option, I want to add that option, I want to add this option, all of that kind of stuff. So To answer that question, let's say that you want to go up from a two-wheel drive into a four-wheel drive. What does that look like? Well, the option price is for the four-wheel drive system is exactly $5,015, if my memory serves me right. And so if you take the $49,998, which is the price if you order it before June the 2nd, while the employee pricing is still going on, the $49,998, you add $5,000 to that. Please don't ask me to do math. What is that? $54,998? I'm not quite sure. There's a reason that I'm in the car business. Math is not my strong suit. But yeah, basically you take your $49,998 plus whatever OEM options you want to add to the vehicle. By the way, that is also price incentive protected. So if Ford goes up on the four-wheel drive system, the cost, that is taken care of for you. Even if there's a tariff or something weird that happens there, you're incentivizing, you're locking in those incentives. You're locking in that price. So that's the beautiful thing. Now you might be asking, what if I want to do wheels, tires, suspension, all of that kind of stuff? Well, as you can see, we've got a couple of these really cool vehicles. Well, that's a crew cab, but we have a couple of like this white one, the black one. Those vehicles have got the wheels, tires, and suspension. We do have we've got packages available if you want to make it turnkey. The unfortunate thing is some of those customizations outside of the Supercharger may end up with a tariff. So I can't guarantee pricing today for what the pricing for the stage 1 or stage 2 or stage 3 package. I can't honor that up front. And I hope you can be, you can appreciate me being transparent on that end. Is that I don't know what the pricing of the lowering kit will be when your vehicle shows up. But I do know that I've got word and confirmation from my partners at ROUSH Performance that the Supercharger, if you order the vehicle and you order the Sleeper F-150 program, even if they have a price increase, they've offered to honor it to us that they're going to incentive protect the Supercharger. I don't have that same luxury with all of the lowering kits available, all of the exhaust systems, all of the wheels and the tires. I don't have those incentive protected on that kind of stuff. So just kind of something to kind of give you, once again, full disclosure here, and I hope you can appreciate that. Let's kind of cover a couple of other things. I've had other people that have asked us, well, I want to do a Whipple instead of a ROUSH. And at this time, we are no longer installing Whipple superchargers on any vehicles. So I'm sorry if that means that you are no longer interested in doing a Sleeper F-150 with us. And if that's the case and that's you, I'm sorry, we'll still shake hands and be friends at the end of the day, but we had to make a hard business decision to not install any more of those superchargers. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to me or your sales consultant and we'll kind of give you more details on that. But yeah, we are ROUSH Superchargers exclusively. And once again, just really, really pumped up because ROUSH does a great job in taking care of the customers after the fact. What other suspension systems do we offer? Now, although I can't lock in the specific pricing for you, now I can get you a price on what it would be today. I just can't tell you what it would be when the truck comes in because we just don't know. But what suspension systems do we offer? Pretty much, if you can dream it, we can build it. That's our cheesy logo at TCcustoms. So we've got Bell Tech, we've got Ride Tech. Ride Tech is probably our #1 seller. We sell probably more Ride Tech lowering kits than probably anybody in the Southeast, if I had to guess. I mean, we sell a stupid amount of Ride Tech suspension systems. We also offer BDS if you want to do a lift kit. I don't have one of these. I don't have a regular cab lifted in my site, but I think it's back on the showroom. But we can lift it, we can lower it, we can do the wheels, we can do the tires. So if you want to do a stage 1 package, it includes a couple of different things. If you do a stage 2 package, it includes more, stage 3. But the good news is you're not limited to that. You can actually step up and custom order this thing and custom build it exactly as you want. I've got a really good customer that's taking delivery of one of these trucks right now, and he's like, you know what, I want to do this and I want to do this, but I don't want to do that and I don't want to do this. And so we were able to custom paint it, we were able to lower it. He didn't want to do the wheels and tires, and and so we were able to a la carte whatever he wanted in that situation, and the same would be for you. Now, the best way for us to do this, if you're interested in doing something kind of crazy and just, the best thing to do is we can go ahead and get the truck on order for you. We get the incentives protected for you, and then we could get you a price on what it would be today. We just can't guarantee that's what it's going to be, just in case there's a tariff that shows up a little bit later on. And then what we do is we go ahead and get a $2,000 non-refundable deposit from you, and that allows us to go ahead and get the order placed for you. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, like, I'm not going to give you $2,000, and what happens if my truck doesn't get built? Well, in that case, we're not going to take your money. We'll give you your money back. We're not in the business of keeping people's deposits, but what we are going to be doing is these regular cab F-150s are extremely hard to get built right now. And so if we're going to be burning up a precious allocation for an F-150 regular cab, we need to make sure that we're prioritizing the customers that legitimately and actually want to take delivery of those units. And so the best way to do that is to know who is who's the most serious about it, and that is based on deposits. And so if the vehicle ever shows up and it's got damage on it, 100% refund, no questions asked. If the vehicle was ordered not the way that we had agreed and signed on paper ahead of time, which by the way, we'll also put the pricing on paper for you, so we don't have to worry about normal traditional car dealer scam games. If it shows up and something is not right, we will 100% give you the deposit back. The deposit, the reason it's non-refundable, it's just there to keep you from changing your mind, saying, you know what, I don't want it anymore, and then we've already burned up an allocation in that situation. So I hope you guys can understand that. We're just trying to make sure that we're prioritized, because this program is going to blow up. At the time that I'm making this video, the program has not gone live, but if I know what I think I know, this thing is going to be absolutely wild. And so we're just trying to respect everybody and trying to manage it right on the front end, so that way everybody has the best experience possible. The other thing is okay, so I ordered the truck, I put the deposit down, I get everything coming, and I want to go ahead and get the supercharger installed when it shows up. We are going to be asking people to go ahead and proceed with all of their paperwork, all of the payment of the vehicle once the vehicle shows up. So the second, you don't have to pay us ahead of time, just the $2,000 deposit is good. But once that vehicle shows up, if we are going to turn wrenches for the supercharger or for a lowering kit or lift kit or exhaust or any other customization, we are asking paperwork gets done first. And the reason we're doing that is a couple reasons. Number one, if we're going to hyper customize the vehicle for your specific needs, it's for your specific needs. And so we don't want to customize it a certain way, and then for some reason you end up backing out of the deal, and then we have some weird kind of a customization that only you specifically you want. The other reason that we require payment up front before we do the custom work is because we are trying to prioritize the people who get their vehicle ordered first, or get it. I said that backwards. We're trying to prioritize the builds, and the only way to do that, okay, if we need to install a supercharger on this truck and then we need to install one on that truck, the way that we're doing that is we're organizing it based on who did their paperwork first. So if you did your paperwork first, then you get your truck built before the other people that might have shown up at the same time or at a very, very similar time. I hope that kind of makes sense. Let's see here. I'm trying to once again, trying to talk to you and trying to think about some of the questions that we've had in the past on the program. But yeah, at the end of the day, we're not trying to do anything crazy. At the end of the day, we're just trying to make sure that you guys have access to a vehicle that the chassis are, number one, very hard to get a hold of. We believe that, oh, there we go. You can see it in the background. I found that lifted F-150. You might be able to see it right there. So we got a regular cab lifted truck right there. Oh yeah, the special pricing. Okay, so special pricing is only specifically when you order a vehicle. If you pick out a truck off of the lot, that special, the $49,998, does not qualify if you pick out a vehicle out of inventory. Why? Is because we had to actually get that order, we had to place the order, we had to show up, and at the end of the day, it's just the special pricing is specifically for people it's to incentivize you to actually place the order, and thank you for being patient with us while Ford builds the chassis. Another question. So what happens if we place the order for the 25 truck, we get your deposit, and for some reason Ford doesn't build that truck in that specific year? Maybe it flips over to a 2026 model year. In that situation, a couple of things can happen. Number one, be happy to give your deposit back, no questions asked. If for some reason you want to continue and maybe go into the 2026, the pricing that we have offered here at the $49,998, that is specifically for the 2025 model year. I don't know what Ford is going to do with price increases year over year. And so the price and the incentive protection is specifically for 2025 model years. Don't know what 2026 is going to look like. So that's just something I wanted to kind of throw out there. There was something else I was going to mention on that specific topic, but yeah, at the end of the day, if the vehicle ends up being a 2026, we'll give you the option to give your money back 100%, or you can place the order as a 2026 again, just with the current special pricing on the 2026. So here's a little bit of more of a close-up of that regular cab. I love that thing. Thing is gorgeous. There's something about a lifted truck. I mean, I love the lowered trucks too, but it's kind of neat to see something unique like that. But yeah, at the end of the day, if everything that I've mentioned to you so far is something that you are interested in, I want to encourage you, what is your next steps to place the order? Just pick up the phone and call us, the 205-491-0009. What that'll do is that'll get you connected to one of our F-150 sleeper specialists. And at that point, basically what we'll do is we will get your order, we'll go ahead and spec it out with you, make sure all of the color and equipment on the OEM factory chassis is good. Then what we'll do is we'll kind of confirm any kind of customization that you want to do. And if you are asking for a price at that point, we can do that. But once again, that can't, there's no incentive protection on the other accessories outside of the Supercharger. Supercharger is the only thing that I can get in price protected. And then at that point, once we say, hey, these are the prices, I'm good with it, give us your deposit, we'll place the order and give you confirmation on everything in writing what we have discussed in this video. So that way you're not having to worry about, well, is this a shady dealer? Are we a shady dealer? No, we're not. We're one of the largest dealerships in the state of Alabama, if not in the Southeast. And so we have a lot to lose. So we're not in this to try and manipulate anybody or play games or anything like that. So yeah, once you confirm the color and equipment on the chassis and the custom work, the pricing, subject to change on the outside accessories other than the Supercharger. Once you do that, you put your deposit down, we place the order, and then when the truck comes in, there's no payment needed until the truck comes in. Then once the truck comes in, you can either finance it through your local credit union. We're not gonna hold the vehicle hostage and say, hey, you gotta finance with us and pay extra crazy amounts of money. You can finance it through us and we can line that up for you, not a problem, but we don't require that. So just kind of, to me, I think that's a good thing, is give the customer the choice. Trade-ins, you might have a question about trade-ins. Yes, we do accept trade-ins, and if you have a trade-in, we'd be happy to get you a valuation on your vehicle, but there's no reason to do it today at the time you're ordering the vehicle. Why is that? Because by the time your new F-150 regular cab shows up, there's one thing is for sure. The pricing is going to be completely different than what it actually was back then. Trade values change. And so my recommendation on that is, if you want to, you don't have to trade the vehicle with us, but we do offer that as an, as a convenience feature to you. But if you say, I want to trade, what we would probably do is just confirm the color and equipment on the new truck, get everything ordered, and then we would worry about the trade value closer to when the vehicle is actually getting built. So if you want to know, like once the vehicle actually gets scheduled for production, then we can start looking at what we think the vehicle might roughly be worth. And at that point, you can say, well, hey, I can probably get, this much for it if I sell it private party, or I can trade it in. Some states have a tax incentive for trading in a vehicle, but we'll be welcome to communicate that to you ahead of time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any other questions, something I have not covered yet in this video, like I said, the best way to get a hold of us is just give us a call, 491-205, area code 205-491-0009. By the way, I'll also have a whole bunch of frequently asked questions down in the description of this particular YouTube video, so that way you can actually see all of that. And yeah, I'll also send that to you in an email tomorrow that has those frequently asked questions as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully we can do business and I get to shake your hand when you come take delivery. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.